In the quiet corner of a lush green village lived an old woman named Dadi Ami. Her eyes sparkled like morning dew, her smile as warm as the sun. People said she carried joy in her pockets. No one left her home without a kind word or a warm treat. But one day, as the sky turned gold, little Rumi asked, "Dadi Ami, why are you always happy?" She smiled. A pause. Then her eyes drifted far. "Once, I had a home that crumbled, a love that never returned, and a child I lost before I knew their name." Her voice didn't break. It danced with peace. "I learned something," she whispered. "Sorrow will always knock, but joy waits to be invited in." She taught the village a secret. Happiness isn't what you find, it's what you make. Joy is not the absence of pain, it's the presence of purpose. Now, every night, laughter flows through the village like a gentle river, and at its source sits an old woman with wrinkles carved by both tears and smiles.